Starting CheckProof was all about bringing digital solutions into the industry and helping them work in a more efficient way. After several years work with producers, but also supporting OEMs in the process, we saw a need of building a bridge between the OEMs and the producer that were their customers. So that's why we have developed our OEM solution.
So we've done a lot of research and workshops with our OEM customers in order to find what information and data is most valuable for them. And all of this research is to ensure that we're building the right thing.
If we shall list the struggles that we have found, we have warranty discussions. Is it warranty or not? We also often see paper manuals just collecting dust and not used. All these different logins for different telematic data from different OEM providers. And no visibility of operator-found faults. All of this leads to frustration on both sides. With our OEM solutions, you can customize operational and maintenance routines that will be easy to follow for the customer. Because in the end of the day, you want to secure that the customer reach full availability of their investments. And as for you as an OEM to crystal clear documentation if the routines during warranty have been followed.
So our solution allows the OEM company to set up guides and checklists to make it easier for the customers onboarding. And this reduces the dependency on specific personnel. You can also add telematics data from your machines into CheckProof to, for example, trigger automatic deviations or maintenance routines in order to ensure that your machines are running optimally. This is a good way for both the customer and the OEM to ensure that the machine is maintained properly.
You as an OEM have often a really good data collection from telematic data. Big missing part in a lot of cases is actually to gather the data from the operator on the field and be able to combine them together to be able to find the issues that the operator found when they're operating the plant. By collecting them or combining them, you will get really valuable insights how you can improve your products and build better products for the future. For you as an OEM, you can also go in and support the customer directly on the reported issue. So you'll be on top of all potential spare parts sales that occurs. It's a way to strengthen your market position, improve the customer experience, and build better products. If you're aiming for better results, go for a better solution.